Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stock number is A7421. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. Plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. And we're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. You have a power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. And you have tri-zone climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Caravan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.